Alright guys, here we are with a 2012 Chevy Impala. Everybody, if you're having this problem, you have the clicking noise behind your passenger side glove compartment. This is your problem right there. That's the actuator. The blue and white wire is the clip. It's got two bolts. It's a 5.5. I used just a 5.5 on a screwdriver, little head. So remember the 5.5. A lot of people don't really carry a 5.5, and a lot of toolboxes don't have a 5.5. So that's why a lot of companies use it, I believe, just to be like, hey, you know, check this out. But I already replaced mine. I just want to show you guys because I've seen some other videos and people weren't really explaining sizes. I only watched one or two videos, but it seemed like they weren't really giving a clear picture of what exactly is going on back there. I'm going to flip the camera over real quick. Just give me 1 second. The flash went out. Okay. Alright, yeah. See that? You get a better picture of. Right here is the clip. This is the 5.5. This is your other 5.5 right down here. And this is just a swivel pin. Extremely easy. I did mine in about 10 minutes. If that. I made a couple other videos. Just take your little screwdriver. Just a tiny little screwdriver. Put it right here on the clip. Pop out. It's kind of hard to do this one on videotape, but just pop that out. Take your 5.5. I get in here real easy. I don't have the smallest hands in the world. I usually have a problem doing stuff like this, but this is extremely easy. I'm doing this all one-handed, so anybody looking to fix their vehicle for cheap can do this, no problem. I'm just feeling around. Obviously, the phone is in my sight, so I'm just feeling this out and doing this job. You could definitely do it with two hands. Any kind of mechanical ability, you could do this. It pops right in and out, no problem. Take it, put it right in. Make sure it's on that little swivel part. See the little swivel? Went right in the hole. No problem. Now my wire got stuck behind there, so I'm going to have to pop it out. Make sure you move the wire out of the way first, because you don't want to pinch that wire back there. But I found there's actually plenty of room to do this. No problem. I'm just going to hook the wire back up. Okay. Somewhere. Like I said, it's a little tricky doing it with one hand. But I'm showing you, you can easily do this by yourself, especially with two hands. I mean, you don't even need any mechanical ability to change out this part. So I wouldn't be afraid to take on this job at all. I think this is a very minor repair. So if you're getting cold air on one side, on your passenger side, but you're getting hot air on the other side, you know, you could take this project on. I ordered the part on Amazon for less than $20, and we're gonna see how that works out for me. And we're gonna check it out. I didn't even test this yet, so you guys are gonna be my witness to no more clicking and bumping and all that other good stuff. But you know, if you're ever afraid to take on a job, I promise you can do this one. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. You could do this job. All right, let me start this car up. Okay, you ready to test out my solenoid, my door actuator? Because I'm ready. Okay, so now that's on AC. I have it on AC right now. I'm going to wait till it blows a little bit of cold air. Oh, you see those vents open? You seen that vent open, right? See? Nice. See, the problem was that vent wasn't opening. I wasn't getting the full air. It was clicking. It was going click, 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 click. So now watch that vent straight ahead to your right when I turn the air, when I switch from cold air to AC to hot air. Now we put on the hot air. So we should see that vent. See that vent? Boom. Just like that. So that's that vent right there that you see to your right hand side that's opening and closing. That's the difference between your AC and your heat. Now my heat is cranking, and you know, while filming I just showed you how to take out the part and put it back in under 10 minutes. So you could definitely do this job two hands. I did it one hand. You could definitely do this job. Don't be afraid to take on this job. This is my original actuator. Oh, when you take it in and out, make sure it's on the AC. Make sure it's on cold air AC, because that brings